Can you see me? Hope you can see me. You may not. I'm not sitting in ants. Hey guys, it's Jessie with Living on a Prayer Flower Farm this morning. I am here to tackle the project of kill all the grass. The grass must die. All the grass must die because I need flowers, and flowers cannot grow if there's this gross crab grass stuff that we get. I'm not sure what it is. It's veiny, it's gross. I hate it, and it's hard to kill. Man, is it hard to kill. So, this box is really heavy. I got 2 of these wonderful 6 mil thick plastic rolls. Oh, came in a natural roll this time. Let's see. Lord have mercy, it's heavy. Oh! Roll! Hey, last time the other one I got was folded, so it's kind of hard. But yeah, I've got a roll. So this is really thick. Hello, Gus. This is Gus, my pug, the farm pug. Some people have cats. We have farm pugs. He is vicious. You cannot see any sunlight through this. This is going to serve to kill the grass, and it's going to do a great job. So let's get started. I'm done! Well, kind of done. Still got a roll back there. But I'm not sure how or where I'm going to place it just yet. But look at it. It's done! And guys, my foot really hurts. Like, I thought it was just the way I was sitting. Oh no, I once again got into ants. I really don't think you're a gardener unless you at least get stung by ants a couple of times a year. Some suckers are vicious. Here in Louisiana, we have fire ants. And geez, do they hurt. Oh, God, my toe hurts. I guess that's what I get from wearing Crocs. But you know what? Crocs are comfortable. And I am guilty of wearing socks with my Crocs. Hey, no judgment here. They're comfy. It's like they say, 1 minute you're just wearing them around the house. Next thing you know, you're going to town with pajama pants and socks and Crocs. Happens. Anyway, I am done. It is done. You can see, is that Gus back there? What is that back there? That's Gus. Okay. Wasn't sure what strange creature was behind me, but it is done. Woo. Ignore that mess. Yay! All of this will eventually become Living on a Prayer Flower Farm. So thanks guys for watching the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit that like button, please. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye! I'm just going to lay here, basking in the sunlight. Hello, Gus. Can you see Gus? I don't know if you can see Gus. Oh, la 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 la. Why is it so hot? It's November. It shouldn't be this hot. Oh, the sun's in my eyes. I see Gus. Do you see Gus? I see Gus. Hello, Gus. I should probably get up. I really don't want to get up. Oh, look at my willow tree. Can you see it? Let me zoom in. Oh crap. What did I press? I pressed the wrong button. Ooh, wrong way. See it blowing in the wind? I've always wanted a willow tree. Now I have one. It even survived Hurricane Laura, which was no joke, guys. No joke. I can't wait for a few years where it's nice and big. Are you hot, Gus Gus? You ready to go inside, buddy? He's ready to go inside. He's such a sweet pug. Everybody loves Gus Gus. The Flower Farm Pug.